Imagine flying at 20,000 feet in the dead of night. You look down between your boots. You do not see the floor of your jet. You see straight through the metal. You see the clouds below. You see an enemy fighter jet 30 miles away. A glowing red triangle tracks its every move. This is not science fiction. This is the daily reality for a pilot flying the F-35 Lightning II. They wear a custom helmet that costs $400,000. 6 infrared cameras project the outside world directly onto their visor. It gives them true X-ray vision. The F-35 is hailed as the ultimate apex predator of the sky. It is the crown jewel of a $1.7 trillion program. But there is a massive, highly controversial problem. If you put this futuristic marvel into a classic, close-range dogfight against a 50-year-old F-15, the F-35 might actually lose. So how did the Pentagon spend over $1 trillion on a jet that cannot turn? The answer exposes a radical, hidden shift in speculative engineering. In January 2015, a classified test report leaked to the press. The media went into an absolute frenzy. The report detailed a mock dogfight over the Pacific Ocean. It pitted a brand new cutting-edge F-35A against an older F-116. The F-16 was a bulky two-seater model carrying heavy external fuel tanks. It should have been an easy target, but the test pilot inside the F-35 made a shocking confession. His state-of-the-art jet lacked the kinetic energy to keep up. The F-35 simply could not turn fast enough to get its weapons locked. The heavy X-ray helmet was too bulky inside the narrow canopy. The older jet easily outmaneuvered the trillion-dollar prototype. Critics immediately declared the Joint Strike Fighter program a total failure. The military tried to build one jet to satisfy the Air Force, Navy, and Marines. This forced the engineers to make the fuselage wider and heavier. To understand why, we have to look at the map that ruled the old era of combat. Survival meant you had to turn faster. Led by Colonel John Boyd, they championed a new engineering concept. It was called energy maneuverability theory. When you pull a tight turn, your drag skyrockets instantly. This bleeds your velocity and drains your kinetic energy. The F-15 boasts an unprecedented combat record of 104 wins and 0 losses. It is an undisputed master of within visual range combat. In modern aerial combat, if you are turning hard, you have already made a fatal mistake. The romantic era of the dogfight is dead. On an enemy radar screen, an F-15 looks roughly the size of a flying commercial truck. Survival was now entirely about information warfare. You must see the enemy first, and you must remain completely invisible. When an enemy radar wave hits the F-35, the specific geometry deflects the energy away into empty space. Engineers coated the entire jet in radar-absorbent material. It converts radar energy into a tiny, undetectable amount of heat. On an enemy radar screen, the F-35 does not look like a fighter jet. It looks roughly the size of a golf ball. The true weapon of the F-35 is sensor fusion. It automates the process of combining radar, infrared, and camera data. It generates a single, simple icon on a massive glass touchscreen. The pilot instantly sees the threat level of the enemy. The F-35 was killing them from miles away, using data they could not even comprehend. The F-35 is not designed to be a brawler. It is a silent sniper in the dark, the undisputed apex predator of the new era.